Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about business process reengineering, BPR in short form. Business process reengineering. Uh, it is a reengineering the existing processes of the businesses for improving mm, the processes, for making dramatic changes in the way we do the jobs, for improving the quality of the products or services of the company. The definition of business process reengineering is it is a fundamental rethinking and radical redesigning of core business processes to achieve dramatic improvements in critical performance measures such as quality, cost, and cycle time. Understand? Once again, another very important definition of business process reengineering is it is the fundamental rethinking and radical redesigning of core business processes to achieve dramatic improvements in critical performance measures such as quality, cost, and cycle time. All of you, uh, here what is happening is the company is doing dramatic changes in the existing methods of doing the job by completely changing the way we do the job. The new methods of doing the same job will be such that they will result in the improvement of the performance measures such as the quality of the product or service will be better, the cost will be less, and the cycle time and the total time for the production will be also less. What business processes engineering is not. Automating, paving the cloud paths, automate poor processes. Poor processes actually have to be changed. We need not automate them. Downsizing means reducing, doing with less. For example, reducing the number of employees in the company is called downsizing. These days, what companies are doing, they are in order to cut the costs, they are removing the employees. They are doing the work with less number of employees. BPR involves innovation. BPR involves innovation, creating new products and services, as well as positive thinking are critical for the success of BPR. Positive thinking is critical for the success of BPR. All of you remember another very important point. Positive thinking is very important for BPR. Reengineering is obliterate what you have now. Start from scratch. Obliterate what you have now. Start from scratch. Transform every aspect of your organization. Transform every aspect of your organization. Transform, change, transformation. We all use the word transformation. Means you have to change every aspect of your organization. Some of the BPR examples are Ford. Ford company has done accounts payable uh, system has been totally changed. Mutual benefit life, it is an insurance company. They have brought in new insurance policy application. And Capital Holding Company, they have improved the customer service process. Taco Bell, they have done the company-wide BPR process. And there are so many other examples. Like for example, if you take banks, ATMs have re-engineered the banking process. By bringing ATMs, there is a lot of dramatic change in the way the banking process is being done. Similarly, net banking, it also has got a lot of changes in the banking businesses, banking processes. Here you see this is the example of how Ford has re-engineered its accounts payable process. Earlier it was a lengthy process, now they have cut short the process. The purchasing department is placing the purchase order. It is going to the vendor. The vendor is shipping the goods and they are received by the company, and after receiving the receiving document is going to the accounts payable system. Along with the receiving document, the company is also receiving the invoice. Invoice is also going to the accounts payable system. And after immediately checking the goods that are received with the invoice, the accounts payable system is doing the payment online to the company. So it is happening very fast, instant process. Earlier it was a very lengthy process. So the customer is happy as well as the company is happy. The suppliers are also happy. PO is equal to receiving document is equal to index. Purchasing order is equal to receiving document. It is equal to invoice. If all are matching, then payment is done. Trigger for Ford's AP reengineering. Mazda uses only one-fifth of the personnel to do the same AP. Ford is using 500, Mazda using 5. When goods arrive at the loading dock at Mazda, they use the barcode reader to, read delivery data. Inventory data are updated. Production schedules are rescheduled if necessary. And the payment is done electronically to the supplier. See the difference, 500 to 5. AP stands for Accounts Payable System, all of you. Mazda is using only one-fifth of the personnel to do the same accounting process, whereas Ford is using a lot of people. Here they are using new technology, barcode reader. The data is getting automatically updated into the system. The production schedules are rescheduled when the data is updated into the system. And finally, the payment is done to the supplier electronically. Means it happens instantly. Ford accounts payable system, before it was 500 accounts payable clerks matched all the documents, purchase order, receiving documents, invoice, then issued payment. It was slow and cumbersome. Mismatches were common. After reengineering process of the accounts payable system, nearly 75% of the head count is reduced. Invoices are eliminated. Matching is computerized. Computer will take care of the matching process. Accuracy is improved. BPR principles. Organize around outcomes, not tasks. Have those who use the output of the process, perform the process. Subsume information processing work into real work that produces the information. Treat geographically dispersed resources as though they were centralized. Link parallel activities instead of integrating the results. Put decision points where the work is performed and build controls into the process. Capture information once and at the source. Means right at the point of the transaction, the information is captured. The BPR framework. From organization point of view, the job skills improve, structures become smaller, rewarding the employees, values improve. Technology, enabling technologies, IS architecture, methods and tools, IS organizations, processes, core business processes are re-engineered to add value and also to focus on the customer for bringing in innovation into the company. This is the business process re-engineering life cycle. Vision, identifying, analyzing, redesigning, evaluating, implementing, improving. Manage change and stakeholders' interests. Criteria for selecting processes. Broken, bottleneck, cross-functional or cross-organizational, core processes that have high impact. These are some of the important processes which have to be re-engineered. Processes which are broken, which are having bottlenecks. Bottlenecks are the hurdles. Okay, the points, cross-functional or cross-organizational units. Core processes have to be re-engineered. Core processes which are having very high impact. Frontline and customer servicing. Frontline and customer servicing, the movement of the truth. Value adding. Value adding. New processes and services. And finally, feasible. Feasible. Evaluation criteria. On what basis you are going to evaluate the business processes which you have re-engineered. First one is costs. The costs have to become lesser. The benefits have to become more. Here costs are like design and implementing the business process, hiring and training of the employee, develop supporting IS, purchase of other equipment and facilities. Benefits are customer requirements, breakthrough goals, performance criteria, constraints. These are the benefits of re-engineering. And the risks are technology availability and maturity. time required for redesign and implementation, learning curve, cost and schedule overruns. Enabling IT to consider reengineering. All of you, IT is playing a very big role in being reengineering process of business organizations. Today, everything is revolving around IT. Every business organization is totally computerizing or automating all the processes. What are the developments in the IT that have brought the reengineering process? One is client-server technology, client-server technology, groupware and collaboration technologies, mobile computing, mobile computing, data capturing technologies, telephony, web services, services-oriented architecture, imaging technology, decision support systems, data warehouses, ERP, CRM, SCM, electronic data interchange, electronic commerce, WWW, and internet. These are all Web 2. These are all the technologies related to information technology, because of which the business process reengineering has become successful in many organizations to a large extent, depending on the IT end-to-end process. Empowering the customer process, customer facing processes, manager as a coach, empower the frontline workers, empower the frontline workers, values and quality delivered to customers timely, deliver values and quality to the customers timely. Thank you, students.